today's video we are learning about problem rotated list in Python DSA. So what is that? I tell you all things in today's video. So please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I did not take a long time, and let's move to the computer screen and let's see problem rotated lists in Python DSA. And please access my Python DSA playlist because you will be follow my videos accurately, because I am uploading my all videos in my playlist. Okay, so now I do not take a long time, and let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Problem rotated list. We solve the following program step by step. You are given list of numbers and obtain by rotating a sorted list an unknown number of times. Write a function to determine the minimum number of times the original sorted list was rotated to obtain the given list. Your function should have the worst case complexity O log n, where n is length of the list. You can assume that all the numbers in the list are unique. This is your problem statement, and step by step I tell you this problem statement. Now let me give you one example. The list here is one list. Like in this list there is some numbers like 5, 6, 9, 0, 2, 3, 4. This is obtained by rotating the sort list. Like there is numbers in sorted list like 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 3 times. We define rotating a list as removing the last element of the list and adding it before the element. Example: rotating the list 3, 2, 4, 1 produces 1, 3, 2, 4, and a sorted list where this refers to a list where the elements are arranged in increasing order. For example, like 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, this is I give you in today's video. I give you a problem statement and with some examples also. So you will be solve this problem statement. Okay, and I will so now I hope you can enjoy this class. In next video I give you the method of this problem statement. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please access my Python with the DSA playlist. And now I meet you next class in next very amazing class of Python or any beautiful class. So for today, goodbye.